is INFI, currently traded at $2.31. So again, you guys had one of those days where yesterday, or no, I'm sorry, on the first, we've never covered this one before, so that's always an interesting one. You guys got outside the upper Bollinger Band here, basically went sideways down to a 10-day simple moving average and bounced off of that, started turning bearish, but that turned around really quick. Afterwards, on the first, you guys went from an open at $2.05 to $2.55 and it closed at $2.51. Quite a big move for that. The next day, you guys gapped up to, we hate gaps, $2.54 off to $2.51 right here. And then you guys had that pullback back down to the resistance line where you're sitting at. I'm going to put this one on a watch right now. It might pull down a little bit more, but then again, it depends on that 10-day simple moving average and the buying pressure. I'm going to put this one on a watch. Again, it might pull down for another day or so. That being said, it could easily bounce off of that. So again, $2.31. Watch for a bounce off of the 10-day simple moving average. A lot of interest still here in this stock. And then the support line, I can try to get a better idea here. It's going to be at $2 at $2.11. All right, $2.10. Okay. Support at $2.10. Trying to get a better idea here. I mean, this, people can call out whatever support resistance lines they want based on certain lines. I try to keep mine as accurate as I can. I'm going to put $1.96. So again, recap on what I just said. Watch for a bounce off the 10-day simple moving average. A lot of interest here. Support at $2.10 and $1.96. We'll let Joe take over from here.
All right, so their latest press release was on January 20th, 2017. I'm just looking at your chart really quick, the 20th. All right, so it was Infinity presents preclinical data and phase 1 clinical data on the IPI 549 at the P13K Keystone Symposia Conference. Rather than sit there and read through this whole thing and butcher a lot of the words because they are obviously creating their own words, I'm just going to go right to the what the CEO had to say. All right, so while new immunotherapies such as T-cell checkpoint inhibitors are showing great promise in the treatment of various cancers, there are multiple mechanisms of immune tolerance in tumors. Additional treatment options are needed for patients who relapse or do not respond to currently available therapies, stated Jeffrey Kutak, MD, PhD, Vice President of Biology and Translational Science at Infinity Pharmaceuticals and plenary speaker at the conference. The data presented suggests that targeting P13K gamma by IPI 549 within immune suppressive myeloid cells in the tumor microenvironment could offer a unique way to both enhance the activity of checkpoint inhibition in sensitive tumors as well as overcome tumor resistance to checkpoint inhibition. Infinity is excited to be at the forefront of developing a potentially transformative approach within immuno-oncology, and we look forward to reporting additional data from our phase 1 study of IPI 549 later this year. So that right there, I mean, it's a long summary that the guy went through all these different, the tests that they have and everything else. But I mean, obviously people liked it, the results that he went over and everything else, because look at it on the chart. So that's where you want to start your due diligence right there, right from the January 20th press release. Want me to give you a quick profile of it, David?
Sure.
Let's see. All right, so Infinity Pharmaceuticals Incorporated was incorporated in California on March 22nd, 1995 under the name IRORI, and in 1998 it changed its name to Discovery Partners International Inc., or DPI. In July 2000, it reincorporated in Delaware. On September 12, 2006, DPI completed a merger with the company, pursuant to which a wholly owned subsidiary of DPI merged with and into the company. In addition, it's changed its corporate name from Discovery Partners International Incorporated to Infinity Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. The company is a biopharmaceutical company engaged in discovering, developing, and delivering medicines to patients with difficult to treat diseases. Its product candidate is Divolisib, also known as IPI 145, an oral dual inhibitor of delta and gamma isoforms of phosphoinsotite 3 kinase or PI3K, which is being evaluated for treatment of hematologic malignancies or blood cancers. You know, these words right here, I'm just going to kind of go and do the ors, the simple, like dummy it down. I'm going to Joe it down a bit. The company's product candidates include Dynamo, Contemporo, Bravuro, Fresco, Dynamo R, Duo, Synchrony, and advanced hematologic malignancies consist of these words, man. It's just, it's a pharmaceutical company. Obviously, they have great news with the things from the 20th. So that's it. You want to research it, you could basically get all that information or read what I was trying to read with all these great, wonderful words that were created from the company themselves over on our company profile page over on Investors Hangout. And then you can read that recent news by clicking on the recent news and going right to that January 20th. Basically, check out those filings, you name it, and have a great day.
All right. INFI, investorshangout.com is where Joe is talking about. Investorshangout.com. Again, $2.31. Watch for a bounce off to 10-day simple moving average. A lot of interest here at support levels at $2.10 and $1.96. Again, that is investorshangout.com. And if you guys are interested in checking out this and many other stocks in live time, head over to investorshangout.com/live.